going on, everybody? It's Nice Pants Lance. Today we're starting this video off on the motorcycle already. As you saw from the title, we are going to be doing a couple 0 to 60s on this Rocket 3. I did do a full ride and review on this bike, and I did do a 0 to 60, but I'm not gonna lie, I could do way better. I've been doing a lot of 0 to 60s on this channel. Honestly, since this channel started, I have been pushing 0 to 60s on as many bikes as I could. So it really all started with the Vulcan S and the Speed Twin. Specifically the Speed Twin. That bike, I did a crap ton of 0 to 60s on it because my first attempt... Oh man, come on, really? You're gonna give the bicycle the right of way? Jeez, man. Like, that's nice, but to a fault. So, anyway, what was I saying? So, the Speed Twin, I did many 0 to 60s on because my first attempt, I didn't think was too bad, but people flooded the comments with all sorts of hate. Like ridiculous, unwarranted hate. Like, oh, you know, that was slow, that was garbage, you suck as a rider. I even had someone literally type in and say, go ride a children's bicycle. Like, and I can't remember what it was. I'll put it up on the screen. But my first 0 to 60 video on the Speed Twin, I think I was like under 5 seconds. So, you know, that's not an amazing 0 to 60 time, but geez, it's not awful. Like, come on now. I mean, it's a Speed Twin, not a freaking Ducati. Like, I was new. I wasn't that good at launching the bike, so I paid for it in the comments section. I proceeded to make 3 or 4 videos following that, just to try and get my 0 to 60 times a little better, and they did. They ended up getting better, and I think my quickest 0 to 60 time, oh man, it was either just over 4 seconds or just under 4 seconds. Oh my God. But you know, for a non-sport bike, that's not horrible. I mean, I felt satisfied with that. So, but now that I've got the Rocket 3 with the car tire and the mods, you guys, hopefully you caught my little project playlist for this bike. We modded it, tuned it, all sorts of stuff. So there's no cars behind me right now, and this is kind of a flat zone. Let's give it a shot. All right. Woo! Woo! Okay. Beautiful. Honestly, that launch felt super slow once again, but once I get to a better spot, I'm gonna try it again. Whew. The front end on this bike really wants to lift up. Really wants to lift. All right, let's try it again. Let's try it again, shall we? All right. Woo! Woo! Damn, that shit hits hard. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It feels good. It feels smooth. Oh man, you know, I think I've said this before in one of my other 0 to 60 videos, but doing 0 to 60s actually takes a little bit out of you. It takes a little bit of strength to hold on to the bars while you launch off the line. All right, we're gonna do another one up here, because I feel like I can get the launches better. This is such a powerful bike, and yes, it will absolutely wheelie. All right, let's do this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Man, I love how I can just thrash on this rocket and she just takes it. She just takes it. She's a tough broad. I don't know how many more of these I'm gonna do. I honestly think I'm going to cut the video here. I hope you enjoyed this little presentation on how quick the Rocket is. If you like this video, you want to see more of the Rocket 3, please like and subscribe. And of course, if you think that I should just go ride a children's bicycle because I'm such a terrible rider and I can't launch a bike, please tell me all about it in the comments, and maybe I could set up something where you guys could donate some money to me and I could get a children's bicycle, and I'll feature it on the channel. So yeah, if I suck, then let me know about it in the comments. If you think I did a decent job for average Joe, then please give me some compliments. Give me some compliments. Everything helps. So once again, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.